Would I buy the Spark 30 Pro because of the AirPod that comes with it? That is the Optimus Prime AirPod. Now, I know there are a lot of things to talk about the Spark 30 Optimus Prime, but today we are not going to be talking about the phone. We are going to be talking about the AirPod. First things first, what comes in the box is the AirPod itself, and it has a metallic feel, like it's very strong. If you stone this on someone, that person is not going to regain consciousness for a while.
I would love that.
And yes, the build quality is nice. It has quite the transformer feel for the opening too. You'd have to press the button by the side to get it open. You get the charger, that is the Type-C charging cable, and then you get the manual, nothing else. Now for the AirPod, it's a Bluetooth version 5.2 AirPod. The Bluetooth distance is 10 meters, meaning that if you drop your phone here, you can go up to 10 meters without having a disturbance in the connectivity. But after 10 meters, there will be a little breakage, especially when there are things blocking the wave of the Bluetooth flow. I don't know if you are getting me. For the battery capacity, it has a 25 mAh battery capacity. It can play music for up to 4 hours. And yes, the 4 hours is with medium volume. I think since it's not being sold in the market and it's more like a gift that comes with the mobile phone, it's still not bad. It has a standby time of 90 days. The speaker unit is 13 mm, and yeah, the headset weight is 3.2 grams. That is for one earbud. It charges for up to 2 hours, and the battery capacity, that is the case, has a capacity of 300 mAh, which can charge the two earphones for 5 times. Looking at this, it has a Type-C charging port, meaning that you can use your charger to charge this, because a lot of phones of nowadays are just using only the Type-C charger to charge. If you are not using Type-C and you are not using iPhone, then
It looks like trouble.
now the AirPod has a touch feature, meaning that when you touch it, it will respond to the sensitivity of whatever you want it to do, whether pick a phone call, pause your music, or yes, whatever you want to do, or even yes, turn on the AirPod itself. Now, there's nothing much to say about this AirPod. I think since it comes as a gift with the Spark 30, it's not bad. And yeah, for what it's worth, which what is worth is free, because maybe you've paid for it with the Spark 30 you have bought. It's still not a bad deal. I think this is actually nice. At least if you don't have a weapon for protection, this is already a weapon. Once it's inside your pocket, anybody that comes close to you, you stone him.
I'm scared for my life.
This is just a little advice.
You say what?
Tell me in the comment section if you will be willing to buy the Spark 30 Optimus Prime mobile phone so that you'll be able to get one of their AirPods, or you just not want to get it, maybe because of what you feel it is. And for what it's worth, I hope this video was helpful, and if you're using a Spark 30 Optimus Prime version, you're enjoying your AirPod well. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video, and peace.